Hello everyone, welcome to Plush Survivor. My name is Mighty and I'm your host, and this is your co-host, Supersonic. So we're going to be torturing the next 22 contestants. Also, I know we're doing season 3, like I said in the show, but this is different. It's Plush Survivor and not Total Plush Island. I don't understand if it was mini or something, because I wouldn't do that. But actually, we're just going to do Plush Survivor, because that's not like total drama. Also, we have, I think, 2 contestants joining who have never been competing before, and the rest are that. Also, we have 2 people that count as one, just like Plush Survivor we watched, called by Stamps Plush Entertainment, I think, where I did Owl and Towel. So we're gonna do something like that. Anyways, here are the contestants: Bendy, Minnie, Mickey, Luigi, Tails. Also, we'll save the new people for last. Toad, Charmander, Knuckles, Boris, Yago and Owlette, Ernie, Shy Guy, Cookie Monster, Yoshi, Sonic, Eevee, Elmo, Mario, and Minnie. Amy.
I'm sad, Mickey, just come down!
Why don't you not get there anymore? Well, don't worry, because it's not, because Pluto's joining.
No!
Now, how could I get worse?
Wah! Mickey!
I know, I should just quit anytime. So we'll be doing the intros in different places, like, so whenever so there's not gonna be any sound. It's just gonna be basically everyone making a circle in the circle and us 2 inside, and if you get eliminated, you're not gonna be in the circle anymore. So yeah, that's that. But first we're gonna go to a new location instead of this room. Okay, so where are you taking us? Well, let's take the bucket. Go inside the transportation bucket. Burn. Now let's go. Okay, cameraman, you're gonna have to get in too. Okay. Let's go. Are we there yet? Yep. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Oh, let's play a game. Look where we are. Okay, so if we call your name, please come. Amy, Yago and Owlette, Donald and Pluto, Minnie,
Yes!
Eevee, Mario. I bet I don't join that team. And Mickey. So what the? Now you guys are the revengeful raptors. We kind of miscounted, so someone has to join the revengeful raptors. Welcome to the game, Jess. But she's not even a plushie. She's a pop-up thing, whatever. Yeah, but she's fluffy, like a plush. And you guys are the harmless hamsters. Now that's done, we can start the intro. Plush Survivor. Okay guys, for the first challenge, you're gonna have to jump over there. Whoever gets the most members wins immunity. Wait, quick thing before we start. Is this gonna be a 1 hour thing? Yeah. It's just to make up for not uploading videos for a while. It's only been 2 days, boy! Revengeful Raptors are up first. Right, here we go. Oh yeah, you have to land on the bed. Then none of you make it up. Gotta go fast. Wait for me, Sonic. Elmo! Luigi. The Revengeful Raptors only got 10 people up with Donald. However, the harmless hamsters got 9 people. The Revengeful Raptors win! Yes! Okay guys, so we're gonna bring back prizes, which are now gonna be books from the Railway series. So we have Very Old Engines, Edward the Blue Engine, Gordon the Big Engine, Mainline Engines, Twin Engines, Branch Line Engines, Mountain Engines, Henry the Green Engine, Snap the Bluebell Engine, Tramway Engines, and 4 Little Engines. Now, the following people who are safe with the 0 votes. Okay, so the people who are safe are Shy Guy, Sonic, Amy and Tails, Luigi, Charmander, Elmo, Knuckles, Cookie Monster, and Barney. Now I have 1 book left. It's down to Yoshi. Now you two are in the bottom 2 for obvious reasons. You guys didn't do the challenge. You cost your team the challenge, mate. So, the final book of the night goes to, not day, well, morning, shut up, to, please, no. Yoshi. I should have seen this coming. I don't want to go home.